Hey guys, this is Gurpal here. In the last video you might have seen that my throttle was jammed and it was rectified by changing the cable, and here's how to do it. Just remove the screws and pull out the covers and the cable. Now you need to check the routing. Remove this using the open end spanner. Remove both the cables and pull that out from the body. Pull the cable out from the body and insert the new one. Make sure you insert it in parallel and do not cross over them. If you cross over it, your throttle will be jammed. You do not need to open any covers. Now pull these cable out and install them on the throttle body. Just install it like so and we will adjust the free play later. This is the throttle cable and the another one on the left is the return cable. We cannot adjust the return cable which is on the left. We can only adjust the accelerator cable. My throttle is already lubed, so I'm not going to open it. If you want to see how to lube this, I will put the link in the description. Now install the cable. This is the another adjuster. Tight it if the cable is too tight. Tightening it will loosen up the cable. Now here is the round thing given here. This round will fit inside this. There is a plastic kind of thing given here which will go inside the hole given on the handle. Now the throttle does not have any free play. Now we will adjust it from the bottom. Now the throttle has got some free play. If you still want to adjust it, you can adjust it from this adjuster. Now this has become free. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching.